Happy holidays and welcome back to another Yappin' with Yadi. Christmas is honestly my favorite time of year, but if you have a big family like mine, then I know just how overwhelming Christmas shopping can be. And that's why I think it's really important for people to have some tips and tricks up their sleeves when it comes time to shopping for your family. And that's what this video is all about. So let's see what I got up under my sleeves. Of course, I'm going to say to online shop. However, don't just online shop because it's easier and you avoid lines. Be smart about it by using a browser extension. Now, a browser extension automatically finds coupon codes for you and adds them to the cart. This way, it saves you time because you don't have to remember the coupon code or you don't have to look for a coupon code. And you never know, it might find you a coupon that saves you more money than the one you had. If you have a debit card or a credit card that earns rewards, you can actually use those rewards for gifts. Not a lot of people think about using their points or their rewards to buy their Christmas gifts, but it's a really smart idea. You are using your cards almost every day and you're racking up all these points that by when Christmas is here, you have enough to redeem. Of course, we want to be organized every Christmas, but obviously it's really difficult to do so. But today I'll make it a lot easier for you. Number one thing you should do is grab a paper and write down the names of the people you need to buy gifts for. By the names, you write down gift ideas. By doing so, it will give you an idea of what you can get them and you can work your budgeting around those gifts or vice versa. Usually, financial institutions offer Christmas savings, so try finding one where it allows you to put in money every month. If you normally put money aside into your savings, you may want to think about using that for your Christmas shopping. Now, I know most of us hate touching our savings account. However, when it comes down to shopping for your gifts, it's a lot better to use that savings instead of racking up those credit cards. And then this way, you are incentivized to stay within budget. Alright, so that concludes the video. I hope that some of these tips and tricks really help you when it comes time for you to start shopping for your family this holiday. And from all of us here at Foothill, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's.